Ready to dive into the world of flooring? This guide will help you navigate through the options and make the best choice among laminate, vinyl, and hardwood flooring, or even a mix of all three for various spaces in your house. The first one is most economical. That one is vinyl. The cheapest option among the three is vinyl flooring. The reason for its affordability lies in its material. It's purely made of plastic, making it more readily available than laminate, which contains wood fiber at its core, and hardwood, which is made entirely of wood. So the runner-up, obviously, is laminate and hardwood. Both laminate and vinyl flooring come at a similar budget-friendly price. Laminate comes slightly higher due to the inclusion of wood fibers that enhances the basis layer's strength. This feature put it second in the list of economical flooring options. In terms of cost, hardwood flooring on average takes the third spot, as it's made entirely of natural wood with unique grains derived from the tree of origin. But the higher price tag is justified by its species, hardness, width, thickness, and the character it adds to your floor. Top in durability is hardwood. Hardwood flooring is highly durable over time, thanks to the strength of natural wood grains and special finishes that offer water and fade resistance. With proper care, hardwood floors can serve you for a century. Runner-ups are vinyl and laminate. In the debate of hardwood versus vinyl, both have durable qualities, but vinyl, with its synthetic properties, only has potential to last for about 5 to 10 years, even with proper care. The durability of laminate flooring is very close with vinyl, which is also about 5 to 10 years. Top in water resistance, vinyl. Vinyl flooring's waterproof properties make it highly resistant to water damage, capable of withstanding up to 72 hours of water exposure. Its plastic surface makes it the champion in the water resistance category. There are two caveats, however. If water seeps through the sides or bottom, you will still need to remove the floors to prevent molding. Whatever floor you have, if water floods or seeps underneath, you will need to replace them. So don't turn your home into a pool. Secondly, water resistance and waterproof doesn't really mean forever. It's usually 24 hours and 72 hours of cooling water, respectively. Now, runner-ups are laminate and hardwood. Both laminate and hardwood can resist water to a certain extent, but neither match vinyl's water-resistant capabilities due to the absence of synthetic impermeable layers. Both laminate with its hardwood fiber base and hardwood, being entirely wood, can only handle limited water exposure before succumbing to warping, staining, or cracking. Easiest to install is laminate. If you're considering hardwood, laminate, or vinyl flooring, laminate comes out on top for ease of installation. The panels are designed with pre-attached tongue and groove fittings for a quick and easy setup, just like assembling a puzzle. Runner-ups are vinyl and hardwood. Vinyl flooring demands adhesive for panel locking, but some vinyl floors come with pre-installed grooves and holes, akin to laminate, which amplifies the panel assembly process. Compared to laminate, hardwood installation is more complex and typically best left to professionals. It involves careful process of laying planks, using glue, staples, nails, or a combination of them to secure them in place. The easiest to clean is vinyl. Thanks to its water-friendly nature, vinyl flooring is the simplest to clean. You need only a wet mop and a clean water, and you won't need to worry about water damage. A vacuum suitable for smooth floors will also do the job without causing dents or scratches. Runner-ups are laminate and hardwood. Laminate and hardwood tie for second place in the ease of cleaning. Both require vacuum with soft setting, suitable for smooth floors and occasional mopping. Laminate typically needs a specific cleaner, and hardwood benefits from wood floor cleaner designed to maintain its glow. Now we know how a flooring project is a mammoth undertaking for you and can be very expensive. But if you're not in a rush, I encourage you to shop around and then check us out. We're a factory direct store, so our prices are cheaper than any other places. We import the woods ourselves, passing along the savings to you. And we have pro installers with 15+ years of experience at your service. Should you have any further questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.